My friends, welcome back to another video of my channel G Mark, and today we are discussing 5 key takeaways from the 2026 high growth study. Let's start my topic. The professional services marketplace is recalibrating after a period of host of post pandemic expansion. The median growth rate has cooled to 9.9%, the lowest since 2018. This construction not only marks the end of easy growth, it marks the beginning of a new era. Nearly one third of firms today believe AI is disrupting their businesses. In the midst of this tightening and bewildering landscape, however, a select group of high growth firms is not merely surviving, they are accelerating. We are thrilled to introduce the 11th edition of the High Growth Research Study, the largest ongoing study of its kind. Will the past decade witnessed con- considerable change in digital marketing and business development. One thing remains constant: high growth firms are able to outperform their peers in almost any business environment. How we conducted the study. To ensure the most accurate snapshot of the industry, the study features insights from 495 firms across a wide variety of professional services industries. Our sample represents almost $85 billion in combined revenue and hundreds of thousands of employees. These firms represent a global perspective with participant conducting business across six continents. Download the 2026 High Growth Study Executive Summary. Five features of high growth firms. At the heart of this study are the high growth firms. We examine them to understand what they do differently so that ordinary firms can adopt their strategies and habits. Below are five key takeaways from this year's study. To see all the findings, you can download the full executive summary for free. High growth firms widen the investment gap. High growth firms have aggressively increased their marketing investment from 10% of revenue in last year's report to 12% this year, more than doubling the 5% spent by the no growth peers. This 20% surge may reflect the rising cost of deploying AI and suggest that the pay to play threshold 2026 has increased. In 2026, will struggling firms often minimize marketing as an expense industry. Leaders are out maneuvering them by treating it as a primary growth engine rather than a cost center. Marketing budget as percentage revenue. 2. High growth firms prioritize in person and online networking. High growth firms deploy a hybrid networking strategy, prioritizing relationships, building at live events and on social media. These two techniques work together to reach and engage target audiences. These firms not only do a lot of networking, however, they also invest in content and education using through leadership speaking engagements, SEO, and blogging to share expertise, build visibility, and develop to a loyal following. 3. Networking events and brand awareness activities deliver the greatest impact. High growth firms favor a diversified multi-front strategy rather than a single solution. For the first time, hosting an event appears at the top of the impact list, sharing the limelight with the networking at conferences and trade shows. Traditional advertising also surged into the top three in a tie with the social media through leadership by blending high touch events with the traditional and digital tactics, including original research and video. These leaders are successfully creating platform for industry conversation. Most impactful marketing and business development techniques. Networking at conferences, trade shows, and events. 6.3. Hosting a conference event. 6.3. Traditional advertising, print, radio, billboards, etc. 6.0. Promoting through leadership on social media. 6.0. Marketing video forms per service per product overviews, testimonials, company culture, etc. 5.9. Conducting and publishing original research. 5.9. Marketing partnerships with other organizations. 5.6. Providing free assessments or consultants. 5.6. Pay per click per digital display advertising and not including social media advertising. 5.6. Business development materials, pitch decks, proposal templates, etc. 5.5. Download the 2026 High Growth Study Executive Summary. High growth firms' interest in AI and efficiency growth is stronger. High growth firms' interest in AI jumped 63% this year, with 85.2% naming it a top priority for further study. This is followed by workflow and process automation. These two areas of interest suggest that efficiency and productivity are on this firm's minds. In third place is content creation and thought leadership. High growth firms recognize that creating through leadership is a primary engine of growth. Topics and trends to learn more about in 2026. Artificial intelligence 82.85.2%. Workflow and process automation 37.4%. Content creation and thought leadership 35.7%. Marketing technology 34.8%. Big data and analytics 33.9%. Deepening online engagement with clients per prospect 33.9%. High growth firms prioritize tracking, visibility, and engagement over retention. When it comes to marketing metrics, high growth firms prioritize tracking, visibility, and expansion compared to their no growth counterparts. For intense, they are much more likely to track advertising 52% versus 35.7%, and SEO per SEO 50% versus 35.7%. Will top performance use analytics to period optimize outreach and capture new market share. No growth firms focus on more passive metrics like client retention and lead sources. This data suggests that well struggling organizations are pre-equipped with protecting existing business. High growth firms are interested in learning what works to drive new revenue. Top marketing and business development metrics. Social media 70.0%, 60.7%. Website 66.0%, 60.7%. Client retention 60.0%, 67.9%. Advertising 52.0%, 35.7%. Email 50.0%, 46.4%. Search optimization SEO per GEO 50.0%, 35.7%. Brand visibility 50.0%, 46.4%. Lead by resource 48.0%, 64.3%. Event engagement 46.0%, 42.9%. Return on marketing investment 42.0%, 39.3%. when you how you can use this data. When traditional marketing tools no longer cut through the fog, you need more than just resilience. You need a new strategy to navigate the obstacles ahead. This high growth farms have already blazed this trail, aggressively investing in the data talent and technology required to thrive, while others fall back on familiar but outmoded strategies and techniques. By comparing your own habits to the investor to win blueprint of this high performance, you can identify exactly where your program is on target and where it falls short. Don't forget to download the full executive summary. It contains many other insights to inspire your own marketing programs and spark changes that can help propel your business forward. Download the 2026 high quality, high growth study executive summary. Carol Feldman. I Carl Feldman oversees Hinks service delivery, a former entrepreneur, marketer, and engineer. Carl is uniquely qualified to manage your team of talented professionals and help our clients to outperform the marketplace. He also advises leaders in the architecture, engineering, and construction industries on growth and marketing issues. Carl has held leadership positions at traditional brands like HITT Contracting. Carl blogs and speaks about professional services, marketing, and strategy at event nationwide. Additional resources. The 11th edition of Hinks annual high growth study explores how the fastest growing professional services firms achieve exceptional growth and profitability, and how ordinary firms can emulate them. Download the executive summary for free. Looking for industry specific benchmarks? Don't settle for board averages. Purchase or deep dive back out reports for the latest 2026 data on EAEC, accounting, consulting, or tech to see exactly where your firms stand against the top performers in your इंडस्ट्री. आज की वीडियो में बस यही था. बाकी मज़ीद वीडियोस के लिए चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. शुक्रिया.